Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? War plus hen. War hen. Heart plus ink. Heart ink. Warren Harding. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome as we start off another great week here on Classic Concentration. On my right, the lady who had a shot at winning a brand new car on our last program came very close, but close is only good in horseshoes. Her name is Patty Barrett, and she's won $3,900 in prizes, and we're delighted to have you back here with us today. Same opponent as in the last game. You're going to have to defeat him twice, as you know. Jim Grant is his name. Jimmy,
hi, Alex.
Good to have you back here.
Yeah, I'm ready to go again.
Ready?
I hope so.
You're in a slightly disadvantageous position because of that one strike against you. As you know, if you lose 2 games, it's goodbye, Jim.
Half the battle still to fight.
You bet. All right, take a look over here. Here is a great addition to any home.
This Wurlitzer grandfather clock is destined to become a family heirloom. The Montrose in vintage cherry features beveled glass and rotating moon dial. Gracefully elegant, furnished by Wurlitzer. Alex.
Wurlitzer, great name. Lovely clock. At the top of the hour, it plays top 40 hits for you. Patty and Jim, take a look on our board, and we'll show you where you can find the grandfather clock hiding behind door number 12. Jim, you get to go first in this one.
I'll take door number 9, Alex.
Number 9 starts us off with an air conditioner.
And the match under number 22.
Just a little late in the season for that. We have a red take down there. No match. Patty.
I'm going to go for number 14.
New Orleans Holiday.
Please, New Orleans.
Please
Be
what?
under number 2.
All right. You gave it an order, and it responded with a wild card. And so the match will be made. The other New Orleans Holiday in that same column. So 3 doors are going to swing open for this young lady, Patty Barrett. Try it again.
Okay, I'm going to look under number 9. Oh.
Air conditioner?
I'm doing good here, Alex. Is it Tuesday?
Not yet.
I'll take the match under number 20.
Tuesday's my good news day. Electronic keyboard. No match there. Jim.
Let's try number 8 again, Alex.
Diamond necklace.
And number 16 for the match.
No broiler rotisserie. That obviously is no match. Patty.
I'd like the diamond necklace. How about under number 24?
What do you have against broiler rotisseries? There's a gas range.
I'll take the gas range match under number 5.
200 California lottery tickets. A lot of fun scratching on that one.
I could use the lottery tickets. Alex, let's try number 18 to start.
Wild card for you.
And I'll wait on the lottery tickets and try and open up number 10.
Number 10, the electronic keyboard.
All right.
Where's the other electronic keyboard? It's at number 20. Put it up there. 3 panels swinging open for Jim Grant. Pick again.
Let's go with number 12, please.
Grandfather clock.
And number 24 for the match today.
No, that's the gas range. Patty.
I'm going to go for number 7.
Green take.
Green take. That would be insurance for my trip. Number 22 for the match.
No, that's a red take. Jim.
Number 6, Alex, please.
Broiler rotisserie.
And number 16 for the match.
There's the match.
All right.
A couple of doors going to open up in that first column. Will they be helpful to you?
Not yet.
Pick again, then.
Let's try number 17.
Air conditioner.
And I believe the match was number 9.
Air conditioner.
Okay.
Jim's rolling along very nicely, opening up that middle part of the puzzle.
Nothing yet, Alex. Back to number 15 to see that part of the puzzle.
The perimeter. Treadmill.
And 13.
Nope. Gas range. Patty?
Oh, that good old gas range.
Yes.
How about number 24?
How about 24?
I'll take the match under number 13.
Good old gas range going up there in Patty's column, along with that New Orleans vacation, and 2 panels opening up for her.
Don't know it.
Pick again.
Number 3.
Wild card.
I need to open up the board under number 8. Oh, that was a
Diamond
good one.
necklace. That was a good one.
That was a good one.
The other diamond necklace, the lower right-hand corner, number 25. Let's see what is revealed by these 3 panels. Select again. There are no more wild cards in play.
Number 11, please.
200 California lottery
we saw
tickets.
that. Oh. Number 5.
Yep. What was the choice that was going through your mind there, Patty? You were
Pardon me?
torn between, it seemed between
22.
another. You were going to go to 22. Oh, no. You picked the right one. 200 California lottery tickets in your prize column and 2 more panels opening up. Select again.
Number 1.
Treadmill.
Oh, we saw that. Number 15.
Treadmill. Yes. You're doing a great job of preventing Jim from getting back into this game, and it's very important to him because he has that 1 strike against him. Are you going to break his heart by solving the puzzle right now? Select.
Number 19. That
Red
was the
take.
Red take. We saw that on number 22.
Yes.
It came back
Yes, we did. It came back to you in just in the nick of time. Here is the red take. He's got the electronic keyboard, the air conditioner, and the broiler rotisserie.
Keyboard.
Keyboard?
Electronic keyboard.
Somebody musical in your family?
No, but I'm going to be.
All right, that's a good attitude, good outlook. Open these 2 panels for Patty Barrett. Go again. Pick a number.
Sorry, I'm sorry. Number 12.
That's a number. Grandfather
Oh,
clock.
why did I pick that?
Okay. You've got a 1 in 3 shot
I
right
know,
now.
right
Actually,
here.
1 in 2.
Number 21. Oh,
The reason I said 1 and 2 is because we had seen
can't
the other
believe
green
it.
take up there before. Jim,
Number 7, Alex.
that was the other green take.
And number 21 for the match.
That matches, and you can use the take. A lot of great prizes. That diamond necklace is special. The New Orleans holiday is good.
The New Orleans holiday.
Vacations are usually very, very
Thanks a
popular with our
lot.
players. So he gets the holiday. We open those 2 panels, and we'll show him 12 and 23. They will match, of course. That's the beautiful grandfather clock. And now, Jim, this is important for you. We'll open these 2 panels, and I want you to solve this puzzle. Patty, can you do it?
show some self-control.
For a win in the game and a chance to play for a brand new car. Show some self-control.
Oh.
Yes. You took your New Orleans vacation, but you've got a lot of other great prizes. Come on, Patty. Watch your step as you come down now. Let's go to the board and you get to explain it again.
Okay, this is a SH plus a ho for show. I thought that was a 4, but it's a sum. The S plus the elf is self. That's a con. And plus the T and a roll is control. Show some self-control.
And you did, and you held in beautifully in that game, and you won it. And poor Jim, you just weren't able to get things rolling today, and that's unfortunate. 2 strikes against you.
She's a good player.
She is indeed. You are too. It's just things didn't work out today, but nice having you with us, Jim. Take care.
Thanks,
So
Al.
long. All right, Patty. Here's Gene to tell you about your new prizes.
200 California lottery tickets, a treadmill, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select the treadmill or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and an electronic keyboard. Kawai's electronic personal keyboard with 20 great sounds, built-in rhythm patterns, and a powerful digital recorder, furnished by Kawai. And a gas range. This Whirlpool gas range features a self-cleaning oven with convenient waist-high blanket of flame broiler and see-through black glass oven door, furnished by Whirlpool. And a diamond necklace, part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection. This lovely 14-karat gold 5-diamond necklace may add a sparkling touch to any outfit, furnished by Kay Jewelers. And Patty, these prizes total $2,702.
Patty says, I've got to win the car or my husband will be very upset with me because I do so well at home. I have a feeling she's going to do very well on our show when we come back after this. All right, Patty, you ready for this?
Yes.
15 numbered squares. This is just your second appearance in the winner's circle, and that should mean 40 seconds, but you still have those 5 bonus seconds, so you're up to 45 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 3.
Nope.
7, 3.
Yes.
9, 13.
Nope.
15, 4.
Yes.
6, 10.
No.
12, 2.
No.
1, 8.
Yes.
11, 14.
No.
13, 14.
Right.
6, 10.
No.
12, 6.
Yes.
5, 10.
Yep.
9, 2.
Lady's going to do it. Lady's going to do it. Way to go. All right. Nicely done. Gene, tell her about this car.
Okay, Alex, Patty, you've just won this Mitsubishi Mirage 4-door sedan. Features a 1.5-liter, 4-cylinder, single overhead cam engine, 3-speed automatic transmission and power steering, furnished by Mitsubishi, a prize worth over $10,100.
You mentioned on our last program that when you do this at home, it just comes so easily.
Yeah.
And I have the feeling that it was as if you were at home. You were very relaxed, and you wound up with a total of $16,731 in prizes. Congratulations to you. You had a good
Oh,
time?
I had such a good time.
I bet you did. All right.
I saved face with my husband.
Oh,
That's
don't-
it. No.
I'm not worried about that at all, but congratulations again. We'll take a break, and we'll come back with some new players right after this. This is going to be a fun game. We've got a Nikki and a Ricky. On my right, Nikki Mayfield. Hello, Nikki Mayfield.
Hi,
Welcome
Alex.
aboard. Where are you from?
Well, originally from Washington State. I've been in Southern California for 2.5 years.
What do you do?
Well, I'm temporarily working as a grocery checker.
Temporarily.
Well, yes, I have
Are
some
you an
other
actress?
things. Oh, that's an idea.
Oh, you haven't tried that
no,
yet?
I think I will. But I'm going to start a pet retirement home.
Pet retirement?
Yes.
Now, that's a good idea.
Uh-huh.
That's great. You
Yeah,
love
it's
animals,
for,
obviously.
Yes, it's for the elite, for pampered pets.
Pampered pets. What about some poor, downtrodden, homeless pets?
Yeah, we have provisions for that, too.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, nice having you here. Your opponent is Ricky. I shouldn't say Ricky. It's Rick Hall. Hi, Rick. Where are you from?
I'm a nomad of the Western United States. I've been a little bit of everywhere.
Where do you make your home now?
Presently in Cyprus.
Cyprus.
The home of
The
the
island of
third
Cyprus.
place. No. City of Cyprus, home of the third place finishers in the Little League World Series.
Oh, good for you guys.
Yes.
Nicely done. You ready to play our game?
Very much.
It's a tough one. Take a look over here. We've got some great prizes, though, and here's one of them.
RCA's big screen 46-inch stereo monitor receiver features digital remote control systems, on-screen displays, and space-saving design furnished by RCA.
Thank you, Gene. Let's show Nikki and Rick where we can find that beautiful big screen TV. It's at number 11. Now, because this is the second game of the day, we have those 5 bonus car seconds as one of our matches on the board. We have $500 in the cash pot, and we have a holiday in Acapulco. And Rick, you get to pick first.
Love to travel. Been a nomad. Let's see if I can find a trip. Let's start off right in the middle of the board. Number 13, please.
Bedroom set.
Bedroom set. And we'll look for the match under number 2, please.
No match. 5 bonus car seconds. Nikki?
Number 18, please.
His and her backpacks.
Number 24.
Diamond and pearl ring. No match. Rick?
Let's go to number 15, see if we can still find a wild card or a trip. There we go.
Wild card.
Gotta go for the big screen TV under number 11.
Number 11, a great way to watch sports. A great way to watch anything, as a matter of fact. The other big screen TV, bottom line, number 22. 11 and 22, a good combination. Open these 2 panels and the wild card spot also. And show Rick a confusing mess. Pick again.
No guess yet. Let's see if we can still find that trip. Looking for another wild card under number 4, please.
Satin bedding.
Go with the bedroom set. And the match under number 10, please.
No, his and her backpacks. And we have seen that one before, Nikki.
Okay, number 18, please, Alex.
Correct.
And number 10.
Number 10. That's a good match for you.
That would be handy if I go back to Washington for a visit.
Yeah, they do a lot of
Mountains.
backpacking up there, don't they? Good way to stay in shape. Open these two panels for Nikki. Go again.
Right, number 2. Oh, no, what's behind there?
5
That's
bonus
car
car
bonus.
seconds.
That's right. Okay, the match for that are number 5.
Diamond and pearl ring. No match. Rick.
I think we've seen that before, haven't we? Under number 24.
Diamond and pearl ring.
And the match under number 5, please.
You are correct. But you guys are working mostly on the perimeter, on the outside squares, and they don't always reveal that much. Let's see if that's the case here. Unfortunately, yes.
Still a mess. Let's go for number 7, please.
Cash
Ooh,
pot.
cash pot.
$500.
And look for another wild card under number 9, please.
There's a wild card, and that's going to make the cash pot work for you. The other one? At number 8. 3 boxes on the second line. Open it up. Go again.
Number 14, please.
Red tape.
And something we haven't seen. Number 3, please.
Number 3 is a bedroom set, and we have seen that. Nikki.
All right, number 17, please.
Body massager.
And number 21.
No, green take. Back to Rick, just like that.
Number 13, please.
Bedroom set.
And number 3.
That's the match. Great. Bedroom set. Middle column opening up beautifully for Rick Hall. Show him.
Cracking the whip.
No, you didn't say it in time. Hands on your signaling buttons. And remember, you're free to ring in after we have revealed our first box. And when the green light goes on, and we start with number 1. Then we go to number 2. Rick is in there now.
Cracking the whip.
Is it cracking the whip? No, it is not. And Nikki, big opportunity for you because all of these squares are about to be revealed for your benefit. Study this puzzle and see if you can solve it. All right, hands on your signaling buttons. I'm going to help you. We start off with K plus the rack plus the king. That's cracking. And then we've got TH plus the hub, thub. And what are we looking at as the final symbol? Rick.
Cracking the books.
Cracking the books. That's right. You were on the right track when you said cracking the. It was just that last part.
A little bit difficult. The K plus the rack plus the king was the cracking. The plus the hub was a little different. And I couldn't see this at the beginning, but the books, the hooks are the books. The books. Cracking the books.
Cracking the hub books. It's always difficult when 2 symbols combine in words like that. But, Nikki, we're going to say goodbye for just a little bit. You're going to get to play in the next game, but you've got 1 strike against you right now. So long.
Okay.
All right, Rick, come on over here. Gene's going to tell you about your prizes, and then we'll put you in the winner's circle. Go, Gene.
A cash pot worth $500 and a bedroom set. Bassett's Old World bedroom set with its warm cherry finish includes a single dresser with an oval mirror, a 6-drawer chest, a sleigh bed with wood rails, and 2 nightstands furnished by Bassett Furniture, and a diamond pearl ring, part of Abigail's Heirlooms collection. A hidden heart ring opens to reveal a hidden heart. This magnificent diamond and pearl ring is the reproduction of authentic Victorian jewelry furnished by Abigail's Heirlooms. And, of course, the handsome big screen TV. And, Jim, these prizes are worth $6,264.
Big win for you. Big win, Rick. We're going to take a break, and we'll come back to play the car round after this. No bonus car seconds for you in that game, Rick, but that's all right. You're up here, and you have a chance to win one of these cars. 15 numbered squares for you, base time of 35 seconds. So good luck. Off you go.
3, 6.
Nope.
9, 12,
No.
15, 3,
No.
6, 1,
Yes.
2, 4, 5, 9,
Yes.
7, 8,
No.
10, 11,
Nope.
4, 14,
Nope.
7, 15,
Nope.
2, 14,
Yeah, that was a match, but it didn't work out for you. You missed a match early on. You went back and you were fumbling around there without making that match, and I think that cost you a little bit of concentration and a little bit of time. But you've got $6,200 in prizes, and you get to play again. And we get to go away after we hear from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Regina Dirt Magnet Electric Hand Vac. Attachments included for versatility. So powerful by Regina. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
We'll see you tomorrow. So long, everyone.
Because neither contestant solved the puzzle, it was replaced and the program edited. This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.